Unveiling the mystery of Turncoat, a journey through language. Hello, language enthusiasts and avid learners. Today, we're going to unravel the story behind a fascinating English phrase, turncoat. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding such phrases enriches your vocabulary and enhances your communication skills. So, let's dive into the world of words and discover the meaning and usage of turncoat. Turncoat is a noun, and it describes a person who abandons their principles or allegiance, especially in politics or sports, to join an opposing faction, party, or cause. Imagine someone changing their coat to display the color or emblem of the opposing side. That's the essence of a turncoat. The term turncoat has a colorful history. It dates back to the 16th century and carries the imagery of someone reversing their coat to hide the colors of their former allegiance. This was a literal and figurative act of changing sides, especially in a military or political context. It underscores the idea of shifting loyalties in a very visual manner. In modern times, we use turncoat metaphorically to refer to anyone who switches loyalty from one group to another. It's often considered a negative term, suggesting betrayal or opportunism. For example, in a business setting, an employee who leaves to work for a rival company could be called a turncoat if they take important information with them. To fully grasp the use of turncoat, let's look at some examples. Many considered him a turncoat when he started working for the competitors. In the novel, the character's turncoat behavior shocks his allies. The political turncoat was criticized for abandoning his party's principles. By seeing turncoat in context, we can understand its connotations and usage better. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origin, and use of the phrase turncoat. I hope this exploration adds a new dimension to your vocabulary and enables you to appreciate the richness of the English language. Keep learning and expanding your horizons, and until next time, happy learning.